Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's find sound. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom, actually, to the sound section, and as you can see here we've got the ringtones divided between particular options. Let's say we've got two different options connected to the phone ringtone for incoming calls. It is because we've got it divided between two different SIM cards, but also we can change the ringtone for the notifications and the alarms. So let me show you how to do it using, for example, the phone ringtone. For the first SIM card it doesn't really matter. As you can see, after tapping on it, we've been transferred to the full list of all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top of the list we've got the option None, and after picking it, after setting it, your device simply won't notify you using the sound that you've got the incoming call. And at the very bottom of this list, on the other hand, we've got the option Add Ringtone, which means that after tapping on it, you will be transferred to your own files. And if you will have any compatible ones, for example downloaded, they will appear right here and you'll be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ringtones, and if you'd like to check how particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you'll be able to check if you like it or not. So I highly recommend to test all of them. And if you're happy with your choice, all you have to do is to simply make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked, like in my case this Thriller 3, and simply confirm it with OK. And as you can see, after getting back, you can see that it is notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about the incoming call. Of course, it will work the same with the notifications and the alarms. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your SONY Xperia 5 Mark III. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.